Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. You know that feeling when you brush your teeth, but still sense something hiding between them? That's exactly what today's review is tackling. If you're tired of missing those tricky spots or dealing with standard toothbrushes that don't quite get the job done, you'll want to stick around. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss honest beauty and wellness reviews from me. We're looking at the Waterpik compact replacement brush heads for the Sonic Fusion Flossing Toothbrush, SFRB 2EB, in a 2-count pack black. These are replacement brush heads compatible with all Waterpik Sonic Fusion and Sonic Fusion Professional Flossing Toothbrush models. They feature built-in flossing technology and a soft, high-low bristle design that works alongside the water flosser to remove plaque and debris from between teeth and just below the gum line. Each package includes 2 compact-size heads, one with a white ring and one with a chrome ring, but no protective covers are included. Using these brush heads felt surprisingly efficient. I swapped them onto my Sonic Fusion toothbrush, and right away, I noticed how gently the high-low bristles reached areas my regular brush can't. The built-in flossing technology is a game changer. While the brush does its job, the water flosser assists in removing plaque where manual brushing often misses. I tested them over a week in both morning and evening routines, and my teeth felt cleaner and my gums slightly more refreshed compared to standard brush heads. The heads are easy to snap on and off, making replacement straightforward, and the compact size feels comfortable in the mouth without feeling bulky. On the upside, these brush heads are designed with a gentle yet effective bristle pattern, are easy to install, and come in a convenient 2-count package. The compact design makes them less cumbersome and allows thorough cleaning around every tooth. On the downside, they don't come with protective caps, so storage requires a bit of caution to keep them hygienic. Also, if you're used to standard toothbrush heads, the flossing sensation might take a day or two to get used to. In terms of value, they are reasonably priced given the advanced design and compatibility with multiple Sonic Fusion models. Replacing every 3 months is standard for maintaining oral hygiene, so the cost aligns with typical dental recommendations. Compared to other replacement brush heads on the market, these stand out for integrating flossing technology directly into the brush itself. Some alternatives require separate flossing devices or don't have the high-low bristle pattern, which can make them less effective at plaque removal between teeth. For anyone looking for a combined brushing and flossing experience without extra tools, these really deliver. The build quality is solid, the bristles maintain their shape after repeated use, and the attachment mechanism snaps securely onto the toothbrush without wobbling. They're designed to last the recommended 3 months of daily use without noticeable wear. If you're finding this review helpful so far, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try them out, the link is in the comments. I haven't personally had to contact Waterpik customer support, but the brand is known for responsive service and standing behind its products. If you ever need replacements or have questions, their support team is generally reliable. For alternatives, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, some third-party compatible brush heads exist, but be cautious. Quality varies, and not all provide the same high-low bristle and integrated flossing technology. If you want the full Sonic Fusion experience, these genuine replacement heads are the safest choice. Overall, the Waterpik compact replacement brush heads offer excellent cleaning performance with their innovative design and integration with the Sonic Fusion system. They're particularly beneficial for anyone seeking a more thorough oral hygiene routine without adding separate tools. While the lack of protective covers is a minor drawback, the overall efficiency, ease of use, and effectiveness make them a solid choice. I'd recommend these for anyone serious about maintaining clean teeth and healthy gums in the most convenient way possible. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to grab these replacement brush heads is in the comments or description box. If you've used them already, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.